Ito dito.
Foggy again. It's zero visibility.
This is going to fly.
My gosh. Look at that.
May ilaw, no? Kaya nakailaw.
It's only 3:40, 3:45 in the afternoon, and the road is like this.
Dito dapat din.
It's really foggy.
Ito. Maganda.
Oh, look at that.
Send mo sa akin na.
Cannot see anything.
We're going down, going to Pai from Lihusan. Oh, it's really
Dito sa iyo na rin.
It's hard to travel. Kaya dapat talagang careful. It's slowly. Very slow. Ilan kaya ang ano niyan? Cannot. And now we're going down and down.
Lalo na pag
Oo, laki niya. Laki niya. Parang usok siya no?
ulap talaga yan.
ulap yan.
Ulap talaga, bumaba na siya. So it's even dark.
Ay,
Darker
wala
there.
pa nakita.
Ako makita, ay. So this is a condition, road condition at the moment.